Mic test. Can you hear me, guys? Alright guys, I'm back here again. Alright, thank you so much. There's some technical issue, so I'll be starting this live once again. Alright, I apologize for the inconvenience have caused to all of you there. Alright, so thank you for coming back to my channel here. Right, so 2022 January 26th Forex trading plan. What are we going to do? Alright, yes. Yesterday I hope we got some profit from the EURCAD. Okay, and okay, so right. So let's go with what we are going to do now. Okay, so we are going to do the planning. Okay, guys. All right. So thank you so much. Hi CK 你好 Bradley. Yeah, thank you. And 加上也说 Man Y 你好 All right. So and Fab 对吧？刚才看到你啊。OK， 我知道你现在在开着车啊，所以现在我们就在这边开始啦。Alright, USDCAD. So guys, remember same thing. Okay, I will be conducting this session in 2 languages. Alright. So yes, let's move USDCAD. USDCAD once again is actually trying to test the support again. But as you can see for the past few days, this lower shadow, the lower wick over here, testing the support here, which is so strong. Okay, it has been rejected once again, and I think it's not really good to trade for this anymore. Okay, let me see. We have about 30 pips of space. Okay, but tentatively, but you're asking me, I will not go for selling. Okay, all right, I will not go for any selling. Huh? All right, the MT4. Okay, MT4. It's not loading up. Oh, we have a technical issue today, huh? All right, so I hope. Okay, good, thank you. Okay, just I was saying that this support. Okay, the support was here. This show that there's a support here. After the rejections from here, we can see that the support is very strong. Okay, so tentatively, all right, tentatively, what we are going to see is that this support, we are about 30 pips away from the support. Okay, so if we want to try to sell, I will not do that. Okay, I will skip this. All right, so let's not do this. Okay, because anyway, this is ultimately is not safe at all. Okay， 好了，那么这个澳加哈。这个澳加的话呢，目前现在这样看的话呢，这里有一个支撑啊，这里显示它是一个很强的支撑，好不好？很强的支撑。所以呢，现在在这里我们这样看的话呢，它在这一段里面，它的这个支撑啊，这个支撑在这里的话呢，只剩下30个点而已。那么如果你叫我现在在做单子的话呢，这个30个点里面，我倒觉得说没有什么机会去做啊，所以呢流量太低了，那么到了支撑位置有一点少啊，所以我觉得现在还是不要做的比较好一些哈。OK, alright, so let's move again to Aussie franc. Aussie franc, let's take a look. Today looks like the Aussie are all very strong on the support and is still going for a buy. So bull with the support, we are going for a buy for Aussie franc. So no selling today, only buying. Okay, okay. So 这个澳瑞啊，现在都看到从牛市建立起支撑，然后这看起来，这样看的话，目前这样好，应该是要往上走了哈。OK， 所以不要做多，不要做空，只能做多了。OK。So yep, let's go. Aussie yen, same thing again. Alright, although it's in the in the bear, but it hits on the support, okay, over here yesterday as we mentioned. Can you see the support over here? All right. So tentatively, by looking at this, it has a retracement. So the retracement is going. The retracement is in the bear market. So it's going for a buy. So if I were going for a buy, you're actually having an anti-trend trading. Anti-trend trading. Okay. So it's not very advisable. Okay. So I would say that I would say that as for Aussie yen, okay, we shall wait for tomorrow. Okay, I think, or maybe the second half, then we will have a chance. Probably, but I don't think that is so fast. Okay, so give it a miss today. Okay, for Aussie yen. 好了，那么澳日今天不上不下，在熊市做多回调日，所以呢，今天不要做它了哈。OK。澳牛 okay, Aussie Kiwi, we are still on the bull. Okay, the bull is still running strongly with meeting up with a resistance. So tentatively, the resistance is not strong enough to push down. So currently, I am still looking at it will still go for short. Okay, all right. So then we will for this. Okay, Aussie Kiwi. If you want to buy, you can still buy, but you are left with about 10 over pips to buy. But if you want to sell today, definitely no. Okay, it's not really that safe to sell today. All right, so just hang on with it. Okay, let's wait for tomorrow. All right, Aussie Kiwi 澳妞今天呢是在牛市，还在牛市，可是压力位置只有10几个点哦。所以呢，今天我看这个澳币啊，全该都要跳过了，不做了。OK，Aussie Dollar very obvious. You can see the support. From the bull, a higher support over here with your support. So it's going for a buy. So definitely the buy in the bull definitely is a good buy. Okay, so no selling for Aussie dollar. All right. Okay, so 澳美的话都是在牛市里建立起支撑，所以呢没有得做了哈。OK， 只能做多不能做空，好不好 ？Okay, so now let's see Aussie dollar. After Aussie dollar is Euro. Aussie. Okay, Euro Aussie. Okay, Euro Aussie. Let's see. What do we have here? Euro Aussie. We are in the bull. Higher support. So now we are meeting up with a resistance. Euro Aussie, we have a higher resistance. Okay, so now today, that means today we are having a retracement in the bull market. It can be a anti-trend trading, but if we have enough space, yes, we can start trading on that. You may grab 5 or 10 for the scalping. No long term. Okay, it is very dangerous. Okay, it is very dangerous for us to go for a long term profit, which I see that this Euro Aussie is actually a retracement in the bull market. So no. Okay, so what one we can sell? Yeah, let's check. Can we sell if we have on the support? We are actually on the support here. Okay, let's check the support over here. The support is here. 18 pips to go. We have about 18 pips to go. So 18 pips of selling, and after that it will go long. Okay, this is one way that we actually can do is that we can scalp a little bit of profit. Okay, so if it's going up without breaking the resistance here, then we sell. Okay, then you have a more space. If not, if now you are going to sell with an opportunity to enter, you have only about 20. Okay, so take note about this. All right, take note about Euro Aussie. You want to sell? Yes, you can, but I would say that today, by looking at this, you have a very small space for scalping strategy here. Okay, all right. 澳的话呢，要是拿少量还是可以，因为我们是在这个位置上呢，现在是在牛市有回调，所以趁着这个牛市有回调还没结束嘛 ，OK， 所以呢，我们还是有机会可以在短暂盈利里的区间里面拿一些小盈利哦 ，OK， 好不好 ？Alright, so EURCAD, yes, we are in the bear. So now we are in the selling. We are still selling. Okay, good. EURCAD will be one of my choice. Okay, so this one, we have about 20 pips to go. Okay, 20 pips to go. Let's see. Yep. Alternatively, there's one way. Okay, first, how do you trade EURCAD if I want to sell? Anyway, you can only sell. Okay, so EURCAD. I'm going to sell this EURCAD for about 10 to 15 pips before it hits on the 20 pip support. Okay, then now if I have an opportunity to enter for a trade, okay, then I will, oh, we have missed one. Okay, so let's wait for the retracement. Okay, so over here, if you have a chance to enter, okay, make sure you get out of the trade before you hit the support. If it breaks the support with a new resistance, then you enter for a new trade. Okay, this is how EURCAD going to be. Okay, all right. So EURCAD, I summarize out for EURCAD. You can sell in this area before you hit the support. You have to get out. Okay, after it breaks the support with a new resistance below the support level, then you enter. Okay, a new trade. OK， 好了，那么现在这个欧加要怎么交易呢？欧加这个可以做空，现在有进场的话，如果现在有机会进场的话呢，我们可以进场做空。到了这个支撑位置之前呢，我们要先出来。如果它突破这个支撑位置的话呢，重新来一个新的压力位，在支撑位置底下的话，再来一单 ，OK， 好不好 ？Alright, so now let's go EUROPAUD. So EURCAD I'm going to put in my list. So EUROPAUD, okay, let's take a look at EUROPAUD. Okay, EUROPAUD definitely a no. Okay, EUROPAUD we are still nowhere. Okay, I do not know where it's going. Okay, and doesn't look good because the support level is so near 10 pips. Okay, so I think I better not. Okay, we just stayed away from EUROPAUD for these few days. Okay. 好了，欧镑我们先暂且离开一下，好，我们现在不要管它了，不要关注它了，这个太难了 ，OK， 它的空间太小了，要做空就有10个点就到支撑位，可是又要做多又好像上不去，干脆就不要做了 ，OK。Euro Kiwi, very obvious, we are in the bull market. In the bull market, we are still building up a higher support. The higher support is coming, okay, and it's a sign of strength for buying. So tentatively, there's the retracement down here, and ultimately, if the support comes again, it will shoot very high, probably like the past few days, this type of candle. Okay, the troops will come in and then it will go just high up into the bear zone. So tentatively, I won't advise anyone. Okay, I will not advise anyone to sell Euro Kiwi. To sell Euro Kiwi at the moment, it is in the transition from the bull to the bear. So in this transition, okay, there's a lot of turbulence, you know. So I will advise people who want to buy, you don't have much space. People who want to sell, it's not there yet. So give it a miss. Okay, alright. 好，那么在这里的话呢，欧纽不断在牛市里面在做回调，要转换啊，开始要转换了。不过现在在这里我们这样看的话呢，现在它要转换又下不来，上去空间又很小了，所以呢干脆不要做，放弃它。Alright, sometimes when you come to trading, there are times that you cannot just be stubborn. If the chart and the technical analysis doesn't show you any form of directions, give it a miss. Straightforward, so that you maintain a very clear mind to trade on the next round. Okay, all right. So euro dollar. Let's take a look at euro dollar. Euro dollar, can we do selling? Euro dollar, no, definitely no. It's in the bull running, and now hitting on the support. Bye bye, and it will be going for a buy very soon. Okay, so buying is possible for euro dollar, but no for selling. Okay, buying is possible, no selling for euro dollar. Okay, alright. 好了，欧美的话呢，现在是在这个牛市里面又有建立起新的支撑位置，所以呢，现在在这个位置开始往上升的时候呢，这一段只能做多不能做空了。OK， 如果除非他要做空，他都必须得要突破支撑位置啊，才可以做空，不然的话不做了。OK， 好不好 ？Alright, so let's move again to Pound Aussie. Pound Aussie today. Yes, we are in the bull, and the bull is now forming a transition. We are in a transition. In this transition, it can go either way. Same thing whenever you are in the transition, it's always a lot of turbulence. Am I right? There's a lot of turbulence that is coming, and it is very difficult for us to trade. You see, so we must know in which area when the chart is showing us that no trading, there's a lot of turbulence, there's no clear signal of directions, then as a trader, we don't be stubborn, we just stay away from that, then that will be the best strategy. Okay, all right, so pound Aussie. Okay, let's check. Pound Aussie turbulence is in, you are in the turbulence area, which is this is the area where it's transition from the bull coming trying to be into the bear. Okay, so this is the turbulence area, which I call, okay, this is a transition. So transition, so right now the transition running. And is it good to trade for pound Aussie? Definitely no. Okay, so pound Aussie, I will not pound Aussie tentatively. I will not give it a choice. It's not going to be my choice. Okay, all right. So 棒澳的话, let me go into Mandarin. All right. So quickly I will come back into English. 棒澳呢也是一个不上不下的那个阶段哦。所以呢，现在在这里面来看的话呢。它是在从牛市转换的过程去熊，牛转换的过程去熊，还没有到熊市嘛，对不对？所以呢，现在在这里这里看的话呢，我们这样看就不要做了，不上不下就做了也很麻烦，是不是？因为做了也是很头痛啊，所以这个不要做了，算了，我们不要把它看得太重了哈。OK, so now let's move into POWCAD. Okay, POWCAD, we are in the bear. Okay, right? We are retesting. We are retesting the support again. So the whole of this area are retesting. So tentatively, I'm looking at the retesting to coming down to sell. So POWCAD, we have chance to sell. We have about 20 pips to hit the support. Okay, 20 over pips to hit the support. So POWCAD, we can actually focus. All right. Okay, so if you have any chance to enter for a trade, okay, for POWCAD, you have 20 pips from now. Okay. So to enter a trade, you have 20 pips. But if it breaks the support, congratulations, then you will have more. Then you wait for another fresh new trade, a new resistance to fall below the support, then we sell again. The new fresh trade again to get the selling and to get the profit. Alright? 好了，那么棒家可以做空，因为现在是在重踩的阶段。它整体来看的话呢，支撑有了，所以现在在重踩这个阶段，在重踩这个支撑，就很像澳加这样哈。OK， 这个棒加跟澳加是非常的类似的哈 ，OK， 所以你看这样，它是不是上去之前我们说它重踩，结果它真的重踩下来，所以棒加其实也是一样，是在重踩这个支撑的这个阶段啊，所以现在做空是有机会的，所以呢，这个做空你现在有20个点吧，20个点的空间，如果有进场点可以进。之后呢，如果它突破了这个支撑位置的话，在底下有新的压力位置，这个可以再做空多一单 ，OK， 那也是很 OK 的 ，OK， Alright, so let's move back again. Pound franc, no, although yeah, we are now picking up with a support. The retracement is running very strongly back to the bull, so the selling coming. Break up and now breakout now is coming to a buy. So tentatively, pound franc, I would like to see that it meets the resistance level here. Okay, can you see it here? All right, so it's now quite struggling here. You know, there's a convergence over here. There's a little convergence over here, but looks like it's going to break the moving. Okay, it's going to break the moving, then after that it will go back to the selling, but now is not the time yet. Okay, so now it's not the time yet, so I'm going to give it a miss first. Okay, alright. 好，那么这个棒瑞的话呢，其实是在这里啊，这一看，它回来本来是要做空，可是遇到支撑回调上去，当它回调上去的时候呢，遇到之前的压力这个支撑变压力了。那么现在在重踩这个，在尝试突破这个压力，那么这个压力就会变成支撑了，所以要很小心哦这一段。所以现在是在不上不下的阶段，最好是不要。如果它现在这个是回调，等它回调结束以后进入了转换，才来做会比较安全一些哈。OK, alright, so let's move back again to pound yen. Yes, pound yen. Okay, alright, pound yen. Okay, pound yen, do we have something? It's my favorite pound yen because I have studied for quite a while and waiting for it to come for a selling. And yes, it comes to the selling, but today we meet a support. Can we still focus on the selling? Yes, of course you can. However, you must take note a few points before you can get into selling. First point, all right, we have already get into from the bull into the transition, get out of the transition into the bear. So into the bear, you can see there's a trending market. That's a trending market, all right? So if you don't understand what is the trending market, don't worry, okay? Just drop me a message, drop me a comment below, and I will get back to you, okay? If not, I will show you what is a trading market in my next video, all right? So over here, this trading market is coming whereby the previous support has actually becoming a resistance, whereby the previous support, there's plenty of buyers who buy in and now ready to sell off. So that creates a selling power when the price meet the previous support, which becomes the resistance. Okay, all right. Okay, so tentatively, if it doesn't break out of this resistance, that means we have a chance to sell. Okay, so we may have a chance to sell. So however, but this is not yet. So but we can still focus as it comes in to hits on the resistance to sell from here is actually the ending of retracement. It's just sending us the signal that is the ending of the retracement that builds the convergence over here and start to break through the moving. So break down over the moving, then it will start to sell. Okay, so we may need a little bit of time. So tentatively in this session, the first half of the Euro market, London market, I will not touch pound yen. All right, second half, will I be able to touch? Maybe. All right. However, tonight is the FOMC with the BOC conference. So in the midnight of GMT +8. So I think pound yen probably we may need to give it a miss today. Okay, all right. It has a chance to sell. It has a chance to sell, but just be careful. Okay, just be careful what is going to happen in the middle of the night. OK， alright， 放热的话要做空不是不可以，现在是在回调，昨天就开始回调了嘛，昨天开始回调，今天有一个现象，回调要结束了，所以这个回调一结束了之后呢，选先割下白线以后，我们就有机会在这里面做空啊。那么这个呢是第一呢，在这一段里面，这一看到是之前的支撑变压力，来到了这个区间是我们的下跌趋势。它开始要再走着这个下跌趋势，走着就要看着它往下跌嘛。不过在往下跌之前，它必须要先碰到的这个压力位置，然后呢有大量的做空卖掉，因为之前的这个情况哈，所以呢只有在这个情况里面呢，它才有机会。所以现在你要等它先会不会突破，它也好像不会突破的感觉。既然它没有突破的感觉的话呢，我想应该要错过吧，那或者是下半场 ，OK。不过今晚又有这个报息的这个新闻啊，所以呢，感觉上今天放日应该是没什么看头了，所以就暂时不看它 ，OK。All right, so Pound Kiwi straightforward is in the bull, still running on bull. Okay, so where can we buy? Oh, now. Good chance to buy. Okay, Pound Kiwi, good chance to buy, but no selling at all. No selling, please. Okay, no for selling. You can buy for Pound Kiwi, but no selling. Okay, all right. 邦纽可以做多，现在有开始做多的这个现象了哈。OK， 现在有开始做多的现象，就因为一点小小的压力哈压着。OK， 所以呢，现在等它先突破这个压力，或者现在突破了这个压力之后呢，再做多就有机会了。Okay, all right. So pound dollar. Let's take a look at pound dollar. I'm back with English. Pound dollar is a good chance for us to trade for this anti-trend trading because it is as a form of the bull and coming back into a retracement as a retracement. So it's a retracement in the bull market. So a retracement in the bull, tentatively, I would say no because we are building up the support already. We are building up the support. So in this case, this support is actually very strong, kind of going to break into the higher high. Okay, so tentatively, I will not advise a pound dollar to sell. Buying is possible. Okay. 好了，那么磅美的话，美是不可以做空的，因为它现在有一个现象要制造的，就是那个 更高的高点啊，所以呢，现在最好是不要做空，做多的朋友是有机会的 ，OK， 好不好 ？Alright, so dollar CAD over here. So dollar CAD right now, as we can see, dollar CAD, okay, over here, dollar CAD is actually my favorite as well for my this week picks. Okay, well, from last week we have been selling until this week, meeting our support, and now finally we are back. Okay, we are back again. So dollar CAD we can sell. You can only sell, but you cannot buy. Okay. So let's see, you have a selling point here. Okay, so good. And we have 35 pips to the support. Can you see the support level here? So we have about 35 pips of support. So dollar CAD, right? Dollar CAD. So let's wait for dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, let's wait for a new retracement, probably over here, this area. Let me zoom in for you to see. This is one of the resistance. Okay, so if it reverse back, hits on the resistance without breaking, then it's a chance to sell. Okay, very good chance to sell. Okay, dollar CAD. All right. Okay, if not, if there's a retracement up here. Okay, without breaking out this candle, this hour of the red candle here. Okay, which means another over here. Okay, then if there's a chance to sell again, and this is the point you can continue the selling. Okay, all right. 好了，那么这个美加可以做空 ，OK， 美加可以做空。美加呢，它要做空呢，现在是在熊市里面的，熊市里面出现了压力，而且它现在这个呢，第一呢有一个压力点在上面这里这上面这一段的话呢，我们做空的话呢是很好的空间，不然的话就是要等到它下一个小时回调的时候，再不突破这里的这个压力位置的话呢，再来做空也是有很好的空间。好，我们大约总共一看的话，这一看的话将近有40个点啊，所以这40个点其实也是蛮好的机会的。OK， 好不好？美加可以关注啊。Alright, coming back here, dollar franc. Well, these are the support. So is it a good time to sell over here? No. Okay, we will continue the buy. So no selling for dollar franc. Continue the buy. Okay, so buyer, please take note where to buy. Okay, you are coming. Okay, coming soon to buy dollar franc. Okay, take note. Alright, 美瑞只能做多不能做空了哈，现在。Okay, so now over here. Dollar yen is dollar yen is running on my bear. Okay, but today is a retracement day, so tentatively I'm waiting for it to come back to hit on the resistance to end the retracement, go into the transition and come back to short again. Okay, so there's a few stages that it may need to go. Right now it's on the retracement, hits on the just like this example, just like this. Okay, just like this part here. So let me enlarge it again, zoom in. So current stage is just like the stage over here. So it's a retracement. When it hits on the resistance, it comes back into the transition into the prevailing bear trend. Until like now, aqua cuts below the white line. Okay, then it's back into the bear trend officially. So I can continue the selling. So tentatively, it's still in the retracement. I'm going to give you a miss for now. All right. Okay. So yeah, let's take a look at Bitcoin USD. Okay, come on, Bitcoin. All right. So like previously, I was saying that Bitcoin is searching for a support level before it will continue the rally. Correct. All right. So I guess it has stopped here, and this is the 32.8. Okay, 32.8. So at this part of time, it has a moving upwards trend. Looking, this is very good because of rejection over here. So there are plenty of investors actually coming into this price. However, for me, I'm still waiting for a right time to enter for a good price. Okay, perhaps 32.8 is the good one, but I may miss it. But looking at this right now, we still have about a few days in the Asia for the Chinese Lunar New Year. So I guess have to wait for a little while, huh? Okay, all right. Okay, so just a little update for this Bitcoin. Okay, after this round, I'm looking out for 48. Okay, so 48 is still my targeted price. Okay, 48. Okay, still my targeted price. Okay, all right. So if this Bitcoin, okay, to enter in a very smaller a smaller volume amount of money, okay, you can actually have we can actually using my broker, which actually in my description box. Okay, you can actually open an account with this. Okay, so that probably Bitcoin you can invest much lower. Okay, within your means. Okay, all right. Well, guys, so that's all for today. Euro Aussie is my choice. However, please take care of Euro Aussie. All right, EURCAD, PAUD, and dollar CAD. Okay, all right. So I hope all this information that I provided over this almost 40 minutes, okay, 30 minutes, okay. So I hope it's helpful to all of you, right? So you have been watching this video until this, and I hope you like my video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring up the bell so that you get the latest update whenever I go live. Okay? Alright, so guys, thank you so much. And this is Eric Day. I wish you good luck in your trading today. Many profit. Okay. And I shall see you tomorrow. I won't have tonight. Tonight I will not have any live section with all of you. Okay, let me reschedule it again because I'm going to attend another financial event. Okay. All right. Thank you so much, guys. See you again tomorrow. This is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Love you all.